What's up, guys? So today's video is going to be quick. I just want to do a before and after of my car. I'm finally tinting the windows. So this is the before. We got a front shot, a little 3/4, and a side shot. Something I wanted to do since I got the car was this blackout project. All right, so all the trim was all chrome on this car. The wheels was two-tone. Just wanted to black out everything. All right, so that's the before. Let's check out the after. And here's the after. So we got the 3/4 angle here. All right, side view. Came out awesome. I am super stoked about it. Looks better than I even thought it would. Here's the rear view. 3/4. I got Ken hanging out over here, waiting for me to film. What's going on, Ken?
Not too much, Jeff. How are you?
Good. So we are at Port Jervis. You can see the sign in the background. Extreme Tinting. There's the website and the number. Yep. I found you on a Google search. You're saying most people do, right? Find you through Google. Yep. I am extremely happy with how this turned out.
Well, I'm glad you're happy. We put a 20% ceramic tint on all your windows. It'll keep it a lot cooler for you. Put the dog in the back. He'll stay
I was
happy.
worried about Gus.
Yep.
So that's awesome.
I'd like to show you. We apply all the window film. You can't roll them down for 2 days.
Yep, that's right.
And lifetime warranty, scratch resistant tint, and basic care, micro cloth, aerosol glass cleaner. And what we're going to do, we're going to do a future video. We're going to do some.
Yeah, we're coming back probably in the fall.
Yeah, and we're going to do dog hair removal.
Yeah. I usually keep a cover here so it keeps fairly hairless in comparison. It doesn't look like I have a cover.
Yes.
Well, you should see what the cover looks like.
But we're going to do a before and after with the dog hair. We're going to remove that. Here at Extreme Tinting and Detailing, we do auto detailing, paint correction, wrapping, window tinting. We do it all. Anytime you'd like a quote, call 845-856-TINT. My name is Ken Glass, and we'll get you taken care of. Any of Jeff's referrals, you get 15% off any package. Just mention it when you call me.
That's really nice of you. I appreciate that.
Take good care of you. But I've been in window tinting since 1981. If you have any questions, have any concerns, we'll take care of them. We do it all here.
Yeah. Ken came highly recommended, and I honestly couldn't be happier. Came out awesome. I was actually pretty surprised learning the process. I mean, it's not as easy as people think it would be.
Yeah, you
a
learned
lot of contouring.
Yep. Last couple hours, you learned heat shrinking. We heat shrink all the window film to fit the windows, and you know, the whole cleaning process. 3 steps of cleaning, applying the window film, and then taking care of the window film afterwards.
Yeah. Well, we were talking about that the pet hair, and what I didn't know and didn't even think of was that having that pet hair would interfere, like on the back deck. Oh, I'll open the door. See, there's a lot of hair built up back there, and putting that back tint on, you got to make sure there's no hairs under it. You know, it makes it more difficult. So if you're going to get your windows tinted, it would behoove you to either get a detail first or at least clean as much of the hair as you can. Yep. So there you go, guys. This is the blackout project. I've wanted to do this for years. I'm really excited that it's finally done. And just thanks again, Ken. I really appreciate it.
Jeff. It was nice meeting you.
Yes, very nice meeting you as well.
I'm glad you like beautiful Port Jervis.
Yeah, it's very nice. I was just here looking for eagles the other day, and I was really close. So I'm glad to have come back and got this work done.
Awesome, and look forward to doing your pet hair removal.
Yeah. You know what? I can't do it, so you're gonna have to teach me.
Yeah, we're gonna get you class 101.
All right. Thanks for watching, guys. All right, guys. So first impressions, driving with the 20% is totally fine. You could see out very well. The reason I didn't go with 5, because originally I wanted 5. I just wanted as dark as possible. But 1, I think you're less likely to get stopped with 20 than 5, at least where I am. I don't think it's going to be a huge issue having 20%. You know, in the summertime, a lot of times I'm driving my windows down anyway. But also, not just that, but the visibility at night. I was a little concerned with 5% at night. I do use this car quite frequently, and sometimes it is during the night, so I wanted the most visibility. But yeah, I mean, this is the first time ever having a car with tinted windows, and the visibility is totally fine. I think it looks great. You can see in a little bit. I mean, if you're kind of up close, you can kind of see what's going on. You can see my reflection more than anything. Anyway, I of course wanted it for the looks, but there are some added bonuses. It will stay a little bit cooler for Gus, which is nice in the summertime. You know, as well as the little strip on top does actually help with sun glare. So yeah, besides that, just a quick update on the car itself. Everything is functional yet again. I'm enjoying my car again, which is nice because there's something positive to say about it. Usually there's videos just talking about all the problems, but I fixed everything that was broken. As well, as you guys didn't know, but I also had an oil leak on the pan. The actual pan had a little rust spot on it. Again, Chrysler problem. Car being 6 years old shouldn't have a rusted out oil pan, but I got that fixed, as well as a full brake job. So everything's tip top. You know, just really enjoying my car again. That's why I got the thing. So anyway, that's it for now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you do want to get your windows tinted, I would highly recommend Ken's place. It was an awesome experience. Sat and talked with him the entire time, watched the whole process. Just really, really nice guy. Definitely knows what he's doing. Been doing it for a very, very long time. So very pleased with that. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.